Yeah, Tuesday the 6th of December here at the house. And I put those LED lights in my little building, and it was on my list to have the same electricians come to my house to install a ceiling fan. You look back at my video stream, there was a disco ball there back in my wild man days. There's kitty. So anyway, I got that installed. Pretty nice fan, remote controlled. That's kind of nice. And then put in some LED fixtures here in the house to replace a couple fluorescents. There's a laundry room storage area. Bright, bright, bright. And it'll last forever, basically. And same thing, I had a 2-bulb fluorescent here in the garage. Put in the LED out here too. And kind of like it. Try to brighten this garage up. It's hard to tell in daylight. I don't know this evening when it's dark. Get back out here. Oh, this is a 90 to 100-year-old or better hurricane lamp, and we're burning citronella oil in it, so it kind of clouds the glass up pretty quick. And this is the Sure Enough can for filling hurricane lamps. You got the little spout so you can see your level as you're filling your lamps up. Probably better than 100 years old. Back then, stuff was built to last. No rust in the can, no leaks. It's actually 3/4 full of that citronella oil. Yeah, still waiting on my other Harleys. Sure, I'll get them done sooner or later. Hope it's this year. Running the air conditioner down here. Humidity is about 85%, and temperature is supposed to get up about 78 degrees today. Might hit a record high, and it's just, God, it's sticky. It's just miserably sticky. And I gotta go get my hair cut today. Kind of behind on that, looking like a hippie. And I keep my hair real short. If I gotta use a comb, it's too long. Here I am, and to me, this is too long. When it touches my ears, it drives me nuts. So, oh, bought this little shelf system off of Amazon. It's dirt cheap. Now for a light duty shelf, it's fine. Just for miscellaneous screws, you can't ever find, try and get them all in one location. Make life a little easy. And that's pretty much it. Gonna be a light day today. I'll probably get back to the little building tomorrow. Did talk to the foam contractor. They're going to foam it next week. And once it's foamed, then I get the alarm installed and get serious about setting that thing up as a fab shop. Looking forward to that. So, not much going on, so that's about all for this one. Thank you.